sure, buddy? What about you, Beakers? Hmm? You don't like the car? Hey guys, it is currently Sunday. We are going camping with the dogs for the first time ever, so I figured I would vlog it. Hopefully it should be pretty fun. Cody, unfortunately, still doesn't really like the car very much. He has gotten a lot better, but still just doesn't particularly care for traveling, so hopefully this ride won't be too painful. But yeah, anyways, we're just on the road, heading there right now. I'm gonna stop and get Starbucks first, as you do, obviously, and yeah. Alright, well, we did arrive. Austin just left to go to the bathroom, and the dogs are watching him walk away. I'm not too sure what we're doing because there's actually more people here than we expected on a Sunday night. There's some sort of situation going on with an ambulance over here. So yeah, we did not bring anything for backpacking this time. We kind of wanted to car camp since this is their first time out. But technically, we're in a national forest, so we can technically camp wherever we want. But yeah, at the moment, just kind of hanging out for a minute, trying to figure out what we're doing. What? Where did Dad go? Hmm? By the way, I don't know if anybody was curious or if you've watched my review on these e-collars or shock collars that we have on the dogs. We're using them right now. I don't like the term shock collar. I guess training collar I like better. It does have a shock setting on it, but we don't really use it. We pretty much only use the beep and the vibrate feature. But yeah, anyways, we did get a second collar since we've gotten Cody. And the nice thing about these ones is that you can link two to one remote. And they do work well. I'll go ahead and beep them right now. Hopefully you can hear. That was Cody's. And that one's Beaker's. So they're really nice. Hi, baby. You tired? They're really nice in off-leash situations. They work well for a lot of training issues, but I definitely like having them when we're hiking off leash with them. We just use the vibrate feature if they're going a little bit too far to remind them to wait for us, or like on this trail. There's none right now, but there's been a lot of horse poop that they've showed interest in eating, so it's nice to remind them not to do those things. But yeah, if you're interested, I'll go ahead and link the actual collars down below and my review if you want to watch it, but I don't think I ever did a demo, so I just figured I would include that now. Also, sorry I'm out of breath, but it's really hot. Huh, Beaker? Cody! Not that you can tell, but I pressed the vibrate button just then to remind him to stop. But yeah, we're just hiking. Hi! Cody! Oh, good boy! Beakers! Hi, buddy. Oh, you hot? You impatient? Another nifty little hiking contraption is this water bottle. I think it's called a Gulpy, but it's like a bottle with a little reservoir or not reservoir, bowl that flips down, whatever. Handy for on the go. Huh, Beaks. Water break. Cody! Come on, buddy. Good boy. Beaker. You hot, Beaks? Cody's just gonna dip his face in. Yes, she's laying down. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm glad all your colors are waterproof. Cody! Cool boy. Oh, rolling in the dirt. Oh my gosh. You guys are a mess. You're not gonna go swim again? You only swim when I don't have the camera on? There we go. Okay, go ahead. Go puppers. Somebody's tired. Hondito. Beakers too. We've got her tied just to, there's some people over there. We don't want her to, you can't see them. I don't know why I'm pointing my camera. Anyways, we don't want her to run over there since this is her first time. I'm not really sure how she's gonna do, but she seems pretty tired too. And they just ate dinner. We got some water right there. And we are setting up the tent, or at least Austin is. Just hanging out, huh, Dito? So we're just laying down on the tent now. Cody's is right here. Say hi, Cody. He's pretty warm, slash, I don't know, he's a little bit. They were both pretty skeptical about getting in the tent at first. Beaker has already chilled out. She's laying on my feet. Yeah, but Cody is still kind of like, slash, it's also pretty warm and humid. But I've got some melatonin right here that I gave them some already. I might give him a little more in a little bit just to help him relax. But yeah, this is the end of the first day, and hopefully the dogs will sleep well and we're not up all night. Hey guys, morning of the only morning, I guess, since we're heading back home in a little bit. Probably gonna close the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching my puppies be silly and cute. It was a little bit rough last night. Beaker pretty much slept the whole time. Cody, on the other hand, hey Cody! They just stopped to go potty. We're gonna go hike for a little bit. before we head out. But yeah, Cody was a little bit restless last night, but overall not too bad for their very first trip. So anyways, unless something exciting happens, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Jeez, guys. Hey guys, happy Monday. Okay, so first off, before I get into the video, I'm sorry for super sporadically uploading lately. It's been a while since I've done a little sit-down video like this, but basically just kind of like a lot of stressful stuff happened all at once, and I just wasn't really feeling like sitting down and filming, and I know that if I'm not really into it, it's not gonna make a good video. And there were some days where honestly it didn't even occur to me that I was supposed to film that day until like I was getting in bed. So